For as long as you both shall live, I, Ryan, take you, Nicole, to be my lawful wife. I promise to be true to you, in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health. I will love you and honor you all the days of my life. I, Nicole, take you, Ryan, to be my lawful husband. I promise to be true to you, in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health. I will love you and honor you all the days of my life. I declare that Ryan Fenter and Nicole van Drunten have been lawfully married. You have declared your consent before the church. May the Lord in his goodness strengthen this consent and fill you both with his blessings. What God has joined, man has not divided. Amen. It's my great privilege to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Fenter. You may kiss the couple.
Mr. and Mrs. Spencer.
We wish you a lifetime of fun and happy years. Nothing is perfect, like our cello playing.
Make not a bond of love. Let it rather be a moving sea between the shores of your soul.
Definitions of actuaries recently, I came across the following, which I think characterizes actuaries very well. Two actuaries are duck hunting. They see a duck in the air and they both shoot. The first actuary shot is 20 feet wide to the left, The second actuary shot is 20 feet wide to the right. The actuaries give each other a high five because on average, they're shot at that.
Mine's is mine's own brother, his and your is none. That the rings are symbol of eternity. There is no beginning. There is no end. Because it's not a circle. It's just like, I just really like it. I really like it. I'm delighted for both of you and our church. Thank you so much. Love.
Grass-eyed and bushy-tailed and probably far too English for Marina. Every school was having the privilege of watching love blossom between my roomie and my roomie-in-law. And I walked into the room only to find Nicole crying. What's wrong? And she said to me, Megan, I just miss my boyfriend terribly. And she pointed right next to us, to the building right next to us. She said, no, he lives here. It makes a noise. I just miss being with them. Nicole and Ryan, I wish you both a lifetime of love. And I hope that each day of your marriage brings you more love and happiness than you could have ever imagined.
Congratulations. We love you both so much.
To Nicole and Ryan. Nicole and Ryan.
Well, hello everyone. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Nicole. The deputy headmistress sat us down to give us the crunch time speech. It's the last thing we can push for high school, and she made a point of saying that no new relationships will be started and none should be ended during this time. So naturally we started dating 3 weeks later. And finally, you are beautiful every day, and today you're breathtaking. Second moment of composure. I feel extremely privileged being able to grow up with you, fall in love with you, and spend the last 7 years of our lives being fake. You're the most incredible person I've ever come across, and you brought such joy to my life. I love you with all my heart, and I'll be married forever.
So Ryan, just remember, actuaries do it until death or disability, whichever comes first.